Hello everyone, in this exercise of the Solidworks, we will create the real actual threads and cosmetic threads in the Solidworks. And in the drawing, and we will make a drawing of both the things, and we will see the differences between the actual threads and the cosmetic threads. And let's start. File, new, part, this one. Okay, this is the Solidworks user interface. I am selecting the background plain white and unit system is millimeter gram second. Okay, I am taking front plane, sketch, circle, taking, and this die I am taking 22 mm only. You can draw as per your requirement. This one 22 mm. Now extrude up to length of, I am taking 150 mm. Okay, this one isometric view, and I am applying the material here. Suppose this material, apply and close. Okay, this is the material. Now first I applied the actual threads. So for this, there is a whole wizard in the command manager. You can go from here and there is a thread. This feature is available in the 2018 version or beyond that. Okay, thread location. This you can select edge, this round edge, and this is optional. You can select or not. Offset I will select later. And blind, length is blind. I am selecting the length is suppose 6. You can take 70 mm suppose. Die I am selecting because cut thread, and dia I am taking M22 into 1.5. Okay, suppose this die is not available as per your requirement, you can override from here. Select it and give the as per your requirement. Okay, but I am not giving thread cut, die and thread cut. Okay, 0 degree angle. Locate profile, no need of this thing. And offset I am giving. Offset in order to provide the proper threads, you take the offset is equal to the pitch 1.50. But you will see the dimension, this is going above, but I am reversing the direction from offset. This one. Okay, I am okay. This is the actual thread. Okay, first I am save it. Suppose I am giving a name thread, READ thread E. Suppose I am giving the name thread E. This one, and save it, rebuild and save. This is the I am thread system. Suppose I make a drawing. File, for drawing, file, I am new, or you can go into make drawing from part. Okay, you can take any format of a drawing. Suppose I am taking A3. In this, there is a format. Okay. Best method, right side you will see there is taskman there is a view palette. Okay, this is the, you can browse from part here. From if the part doesn't come here, you can browse from here, this one, and select the required part. Okay, and this is the refresh button, and this is, you can cancel it, but I am taking the top view. This is the top view. Okay, and this is from here. Right click on the sheet, left hand side there is in this window, right click and properties. You can change the third angle projection. You can still change the format of the drawing from here, and name of the drawing you can give. Scale you can change. Suppose I am giving the name 1.1. Suppose this, apply changes. This is the thread. Okay, in this way you can do this. But you are seeing in the drawings, you must have seen in engineering drawing, there is a two lines which represent threads, but here there is a very difficult to represent the threads in the dimensional terms. So what will we do for this? I go in the window, and this is the thread. I go into this one thread. Okay, so I make a cosmetic thread. For cosmetic thread, you go into insert, annotation, cosmetic thread, this one. Okay, thread setting. Round edge, select the round edge, this one, and symmetric, machine thread, size is 122.1.5. Okay, this is the blind length. Blind length, I am taking this is the, suppose, taking 70 mm. Class you can take it. This is a class represents for the external threads, and that is the looseness, what is the accuracy of the thread. Okay, this is the for that. The thread which you are selecting, that will represent, that will come in this thread callout. Okay, and this start from the face. You can give the face from here, suppose this one. Okay, this one and this, and hit the right button. But thread is not appearing here. So for that, in order to bring the cosmetic thread on this surface, you go in the top menu bar, option, and here document properties, and there is detailing. Here in some detailing, this one is, if this is unchecked, you can check it, and shaded cosmetic thread, click on check it and okay. This is the cosmetic thread. Okay, this is the cosmetic thread. Now I make the drawing for this window in thread sheet, drawing sheet, this one, which that is updated. This one, this is updated. You can see there is a difference between the actual thread on and the cosmetic thread drawing. In engineering drawing, we represent the threads in this way. Suppose you want to show the line thread length, you can show from here. This one. This is the thread length, 30 mm. And this one. And this is the, you can show this one. This represents the dia. M22 means dia of the, and this is the pitch, 2.5. Okay, this one. So in this way we can represent the threads in this one. So this actual thread, we are inconvenient to represent the dimension. Suppose now in this way, suppose I change the thread dimension. This one, this length, I want to change it. For change, you can change from here, or also you can change from here. This one, thread, cosmetic thread. In order to edit the cosmetic thread. Okay. This is the cosmetic thread. Or you can change from here. So for example, solid body, this one, edit, this one. I'm into 1.5. This one, 70. Suppose you want to change the length 50 mm, suppose. No. For cosmetic thread, it's 70 mm. Cosmetic thread. This is the cosmetic thread. Boss extrude. This one, edit. This one. This is the editing for the cosmetic thread. Suppose you want to change the length of the cosmetic thread, suppose 50 mm, you can change it and hit the right button. Now the length changes. Suppose and save. If you go in the window and the thread drawing sheet, you get this one. You will see the drawing has been changed for this. And smart dimension, you can change this one. This is the dimension of the thread. Okay, so you can yourself, this is the self explanatory, what is the difference. Engineering drawing, we represent the threads in terms of the length and the dia and the pitch. So if you take the in the view palette, you go and you can take a fresh button here, and this you take the, suppose you can take the isometric view, this one you can take this one, but the and this one, and you take the this solid view and high quality. If you take the high quality view, high quality, there is sharpness of the object increases, this one and this one, but the thread, cosmetic thread, is not appearing here. In the same fashion as in the part section, this part section will go into option, document property, and detailing, and this is a shaded cosmetic thread. Even then, cosmetic thread doesn't come, you can check it. So I am checking shaded cosmetic thread, and okay, this one, this is the appears here. In this way, we can represent the general. So, and people like the make the cosmetic thread in the part section, so that we can make a drawing in order to represent the thread. I hope you would have liked you would enjoyed in this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. And thank you for watching. Thank you.